This is Marcin Migdal from the Logic Box and Illustration Vault. In this video, I will go through the image manager on the newly redesigned version 1.2 of the Illustration Vault. We are still in beta mode. At this time, we have been working with some review artists who have helped us develop the features that will be making you money. So in this section, we are already logged in as one of the artists, Alex, and we can see that Alex has already loaded a lot of his images. One thing that I would like to stress, upload one super high-res image, which should be 300 dpi, so you can take advantage of all of these options once we fully launch. These options are the licensing and the selling your images as prints, or further on selling it as t-shirts, mugs, notebooks, cases, laptop covers, and a whole assortment of other products that you'll be able to wrap your images around. Once you're in here, you'll see the Add Images button, the Facebook Import button, which is actually still under development, and you'll have your FAQ, which is where you will find tips and this video. Once you upload your image, you will see 4 buttons. If the image is not licensed, the search preview button will be hidden. This displays what the image looks like in your store and to the people who will be licensing it or purchasing as a print. If you don't license the image, let's uncheck these 2 boxes. You will note that the licensing base price and the print base price, this section here, will disappear. Save it. Have to reload the page. There you go. So you only really need to focus on the description if you really want to. So this essentially allows you to upload images that perhaps you are not allowed to license or sell, but you still want to display them as part of your gallery on your profile. Let's preview your account. So this right away, if you remember, is your showcase. If you have video tutorials assigned, then you would get this tutorial button. Let's go visit our bio section. And if we scroll down, you'll see that this section will display all of your images. The sorting abilities are still not implemented, but they will be shortly. If we were to uncheck this box altogether and reload, you will note that this image is hidden. So this is how you can really easily change up what images can and cannot show, and which images can be licensed and or printed. So we're going to enable all of this again. Moving down, we'll note that we have our image description and we've got our search tags. You've got your licensing base price. If you hover over these question marks, you know that it shows you little write-ups and tip bubbles. The base price is, I believe, $30 for the small version, and I believe $50 for the large version. This is just a base suggested licensing price for your images. You can modify and change this at your will. Let's go and add a brand new image. So here I'm in the gallery of Alex's images here. So we're going to upload, let's just say, Halle Berry. Oh, actually it's too big. See, 32 megabytes is actually too large. You can upload images that are as large as 20 megabytes, which is more than enough for almost any project that people would be licensing this for. Actually, let's take Halle Berry and open her up in Photoshop, and let's reduce her. So if we go under our images and image size, we'll note that the image is actually 7,000 pixels by almost 14,000 pixels in height, and the canvas size is actually very large, 88 centimeters. So let's switch this to inches. So we've got 35 by 70, but it's only at 200 resolution. What you wanted to do is, if you want your images to be licensed and or sold, you want to make sure that the resolution is at 300. So we do have a downloadable action that you can get from the website, and it will look like this: iVault 300 dpi JPEG fix, and you simply run the action, and what it will do is it will take that same image, resample it 300 dpi without losing any quality, and resave it. So we're going to reopen it right now, and if we go down to image size again, we'll note that it reduced the document size from 35 to 23 by 45, and now it's at 300 dpi. The image is probably still the same size, so what we want to do now is want to ensure that we go under. So let's change that up and save this as a smaller canvas size. (11 by 17 print). Okay, now let's save this. Save it at 11. And now let's go upload Halle Berry. Click add images, or you can simply drag the image right in to the interface from another window. Go and upload. It's automatically uploading and creating a duplicate file that is smaller, 72 dpi, and it's going to apply a watermark on both of those files. The original file is being stored in encrypted database. The two other images that will be displaying on the store are actually watermarked. So if we go and click on this, we'll see that you have these little illustration vault watermarks all over it, and the image contains your full website URL and the image ID right here. And if we look here, now it's showing that the small version is 714 kilobytes, so that is what our website took and optimized, and the large version maintains the dimensions that we've uploaded at 300 dpi. And this will also appear on your bio section, and there you go. The licensing base price, as you can see, is $30, and the large version is $50, so we could change that to 100 and preview it, and it's updated immediately. If we add it to our cart, we can see that it all displays the same. Moving down, you have your search tags. It's recommended that you add certain keywords inside your file name, such as your full name and occupation, as it's going to help you optimize this on the search engine, and it will allow everybody to find Halle Berry's images that much quicker. So let's try extracting search tags from this file name. We can see that it didn't recognize any. So if we were to go and upload this once again, what we would do is we would use the replace image function. The replace image allows you to maintain the properties of the image and its meta tags and the URL that it's creating, and replace the original image with a different image. This is really recommended because if you start selling the images and you wanted to tweak the image, for example, or change the resolution of it, then you want to make sure that you maintain all of your sales and the numbers and the likes for your page, for example. We'd use the replace function, and we would just quickly rename and call this your name, and separate it with hyphens. Hyphens and underscores are the best for optimizing your image file names on any search engine. We would say character design, which is Alex's occupation, artist, illustrator, and then in our case we're going to put domain name as well, illustration vault. And now we're going to add the search tags for the image itself. So Halle Berry, bikini, sexy, female. So you may reach a maximum when you're adding this based on your operating system. If you do, that's fine. So let's go now and upload this. Now I'm only doing this to show you how you can use the extract search tags function. Normally you would already have these renamed before you upload them, and then you would just click the button and add any additional text that you may have missed. Now let's click extract, and there you are. You can see that all of the tags have been separated nicely because of the hyphens. Now when you want to add additional ones, type female, separate it with a comma, and it adds it. If you wanted to do a phrase, for example, African American, you simply type that in with a space and press a comma, and that's how you add search tags. In the image description, we will describe the image as full body portrait of sexy actress Halle Berry. Price is at $50 and $100. Make sure that these are all checked. Save this and let's preview this. And of course, if we click on the tag, it's going to pull up any additional images that are added to the database with that same keyword, sexy. And if we search for Halle Berry, we can see that she's coming up in the results. Alright, so thank you very much. Tune into the other videos. You will soon find a dedicated FAQ section that will have not only videos about the interface and how to navigate around it, but business videos, tutorials that are meant to help you become a better business person while you navigate the creative entrepreneur lifestyle. Once again, I hope that you've enjoyed the video. This is Marcin Migdo from the Logic Box and the Illustration Vault. You can find me on facebook.com/MarcinMigdo.